Good day. In this class, we'll be looking at what is CCTV, types of CCTV, and the different components. So now, what is CCTV? CCTV is simply an acronym for closed circuit television. So closed circuit in the sense that it is a system of gathering information, storage that is not broadcast to the public, just for selected people to view. So a system where you record activities, save the activities, you can play back, is not publicly broadcast. That's the meaning of closed circuit TV. So that's just it. So now we have two major type of CCTV. We have the analog system and we have the IP system. The IP simply means Internet Protocol System. So Internet Protocol. Then the analog. The analog, of course, is the oldest form of CCTV system. So now, in this course, we'll be focusing on analog system. In our other advanced courses, we'll be looking at IP systems. So because if you don't understand how the analog system works, you can hardly comprehend the IP system. So now, there are four major components of a CCTV system. Four major components of a CCTV system. Now, the number one component is your camera. There must be a camera. Now, this camera helps to gather information, helps to record the activities. Then, after recording the activities, you will need to transmit it. Now, the cable helps for transmission. The cable is another component. The camera, cable is another component. This is an ROG59 cable. You can see very well. This is a coaxial cable for data, and we have the other part for power. So before, we used to run CCTV with just coaxial cable. Then we'll now run a separate cable for power. But now it is being combined as ROG59. So the cable helps for transmission. Now, it transmits the information to your DVR. The DVR stands for Digital Video Recorder. So this is a 4-channel DVR. 4-channel, if you can see clearly. 4-channel DVR. Then the DVR helps to save the information for future use. So this is where, for the analog system, this is where the encoding and the decoding takes place. You get. So now, this is your DVR. Then the last component to look at is your power bus. Your power bus, of course, your camera needs to be powered, and the power bus supplies the power for the camera. So in our other classes, we'll be opening all of these components and showing you how to do your connections. See you in my next class. Bye for now.